Hi there! So here's a first look at the newly launched Xiaomi's X Pro Series Magic QLED TV. Now this is the 55-inch variant. It will also be available in 43-inch and 65-inch. We get the much loved patch wall interface, the latest Google 14 OS and so much more. Let me take you through a quick overview on how it looks and the viewing experience so you can decide if these new QLED TVs are worth your buck or not. Let's begin. So we're going to start straight with the display. Now this is a 55-inch variant with a 4K resolution, and the first thing that grabs my attention is the quality. Xiaomi's Vivid Picture Engine 2 tunes the colors to perfection. Just as you expect from a QLED TV, vibrant punchy colors with deep blacks. Xiaomi hasn't shared the exact brightness, but check out the brightness even in a bright room like this. Super impressive. The viewing angles are tricky. In most scenarios they're almost perfect, but I will have to check more about it in my full review, which is coming soon. Then we also tested the Netflix app, which by the way is really well optimized. Also we get Dolby Vision support. You can spot the Vision logo on the supported content. Let's play something. Oh wow. Initial impressions, it's bright, it's clear and super fun to watch. Isn't that the purpose of the Vision codec? Enjoy what you're watching. But there's more. 30-watt sound output with Dolby Audio and DTS Virtual X. How do you think that sounds? Well, even without a dedicated mic, I can say it's loud and very clear. More on that in our full review. Let's have a quick glance at the key specs. So we get a 4K QLED panel with a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels, 2GB RAM with 32GB internal storage, Dolby Vision support, 30-watt sound output with Dolby Audio and DTS Virtual X, and it's running the latest Android 14 out of the box. So it's running the Google TV OS. The home screen is very familiar. You get a full screen carousel of recommended content with the apps row below. I must say, it's very well optimized. Then more content tabs below. It comes with 32GB internal storage, so you'll have enough space to install more apps. If you go into the settings in the About section, you can see it's running the Android 14 OS. And further, when you go into the storage, you can see available storage is 28GB and usable free space is still 26GB. Then Xiaomi also clubs the Xiaomi TV app from where you can stream free live TV. Here you can see it's very clear. The upscaling also is really good. Here are some more channels that you can check out. There is so much more to explore here. Then we also get the much loved patch wall interface. You can see the App Store right on the top. Then below, recommended content from multiple OTT apps. Then in the Movies tab, you can find newly added movies. Similarly, you can search for trending TV shows, trending music, live content and so much more. I highly recommend you check out the patch wall interface if you haven't. It's so much more fun to use. Let's talk about the build and design. So firstly, a very modern clean design, ultra slim bezels, all metal that gives the TV a very premium look. The overall viewing experience is so seamless. You actually don't even see the bezels anymore. The lower chin has this raw texture finish which truly stands out. Talking about the stands, they are built of plastic, though I would have preferred it to be metal, but that would be just nitpicking. The back, however, is all metal and is extremely well built. When it comes to the ports, all are on the side, optical, headphone jack, AV input, 3 HDMI ports, dual USB-A ports, Ethernet and antenna. The HDMI 2 port supports eARC, which is ideal for digital audio output. And finally, here is the familiar Xiaomi TV remote, very light and compact, slim design. Right on the top is the power button, then you have the patch wall button, Google Assistant button, D-pad to navigate, back button, volume up and down button, the home button, then you have shortcut keys for Netflix, Prime Videos, Hotstar, YouTube, Sony Live and apps. Overall, as you can see, really slim and nice looking design. Here's a quick glance at the 65-inch Xiaomi QLED TV as well. We get the exact same specs, but a better viewing experience because obviously it's bigger. And who doesn't like a bigger TV? Vibrant color reproduction, bright images. Now this too has been shot in a bright well-lit room and you can see that the image quality looks just as good. Xiaomi has been making smart TVs for a while and trust me, they do a really good job. Now with their new QLED TVs, it's got even better. So this was just a quick glimpse, and I must say, it's truly impressive. Don't worry, an unboxing and a detailed review to follow soon. You'll find the price, availability details and the purchase links below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.